Yeah. Are you rolling? Hello everyone, it's Edward from Ideal Direct Home Improvements. Today we're doing a quick little job. It's taping a bathroom in a commercial unit for a close dear friend of mine. Anyways, I'm doing the three-ways. Want to take a look and see how we do the three-ways? So this is the final coat for the inside corners and stuff, and I'm using my Can-Am direct flusher. It's beautiful. This is the Can-Am 3.25 wide track. It's like the greatest thing ever. I was using a 3-inch, but it was too small. 3.5 is a little too awkward, so I'm using the 3.25 wide track from Can-Am, my direct flusher. It's so beautiful. It's awfully humid in here and hot. Anyways, I ran the tops, and then I said, why not just make a video? And I'm just going to finish up doing the last two sides in the video, but it's fairly simple. I use a compound tube, which is nice for little jobs. Easy setup, easy cleanup, and stuff like that. And all I have to do is put my flusher right in the corner, and as I move up, I'm gonna pump a little mud on there. And always run it a couple times. Run it, 2-3 times until you feel that you did, a nice job on leaving mud. I run it once or twice, filling it, and then I clean it up, depending on, until I get that perfect corner. Not perfect, but pretty darn close. So I'm just gonna start from the top. See how I left a little? I don't want to put too much mud on. And that's it. I'm gonna start at the very top. I gotta stretch, I'm too short. Put it right in the corner and run it down. And voila! A perfect inside 90 with the Can-Am 3.25 inch direct flusher in my Columbia compound tube. So you want to come inside so we can show them again. So you're gonna run this corner here. Right? Actually, I'm gonna start. I always start at the bottom and just go up. As I'm going up, I'm pumping some compound in there. Run it a couple times until it gets a nice even coat. And I always stop at the midpoint, so you can see as I pull the flusher off, it leaves little lines. I always make my seam in the middle where there's either a joint or whatever. That way I know and I can see that, and I remember that it's there, so when I'm pulling this for the final skim, I know I just have to touch that up. But if you take a look, okay, that one's a little, I can fix that. If you take a look, with this flusher, you get right into the corners. So if you take a look closely, right, it's a little messy because it's hard for me to reach because I'm so short. There's really not much of touch-up to do in that corner. Once that dries and I do the final skim coat and stuff, my touch-up in the corner is very little. And that's it. Quick video on how we do our inside corners and what tool we use. And that's it. The Can-Am, it's all filled with mud. But you can't see the Can-Am. You know what? Let me just clean it so you guys can see. But this is the greatest tool. When I put the paper in, where's my 2-inch? When I'm setting the paper in the corners, I have my Columbia corner roller. So I use the banjo. So I just set all the tape in, roll it with the corner roller. I don't know where it is. And then I use my 2.5 to skim and finish off the tape. And then for the finish, I use my 3.25. There it is. Beauty. This thing is so beautiful. And this is the 3 1/4 wide track. Anyways, hope you like seeing me. I haven't made a video in a while, but here we are. I'm gonna finish off this washroom. You know, I gotta do the second coat. Take a look. And that's it. It's a bit of a jigsaw puzzle. My uncle did the drywall. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have a great day.